What's that, Isaiah? This is Dad's snake. This is Boots. Boots is about 4 foot long. This is one boa constrictor imperator. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Oh, let's see that dude under you. Yeah, look at that mean beast. Just look at that mean, ferocious snake. Oh. Can't get inside my shoe. That's what we like, huh? That's what we do, bud. Oh, so smooth. A little tail. See, it's not a true red tail because it turned kind of a brownish color. That's why the boa constrictor is the true red tail, and the boa constrictor imperator is sold as a red tail, but it's not. It used to be a subspecies of the boa constrictor, but they made it its own subspecies of itself. The imperator. Oh, get into my pocket. Trying to steal my money. Oh. Come on. Oh. Yeah, you better hold on to the tail so I can get it out of my pocket here. You don't need to be in there. Good grief. Oh, get back out of there. So that's Boots. Like I said, it's the boa imperator. Give some of you new people a rundown of everything we got. That is the African green praying mantis from the Congo. Oh, Boots is messing with my hands. Oh, and here's a death stalker scorpion. Probably under that log. I can see it. I don't know if you can. There's the giant centipede. 2 Asian forest scorpions. Yes, Boots, you will be my narrator, I guess. And my travel guide. That's Coyote the bearded dragon. Inside of there is a new pinstripe. What is in there? That's the normal, that's the regular pastel, and that one. And that one is the lesser pastel. And that one is the banana cinnamon. And there's the 2 leopard geckos. Another bearded dragon. And my turtles. Oh. What are you doing, Boots? Where are you going? So that's what we're doing tonight. Back with the animals. Look at him. He's just judging. That little judgeful dude. Just looking at you like he has a problem. I can't switch the camera right now. Try to get that. Just chilling with me. 4-foot snake, stronger than I am. Look at those dang colors. Good grief. I love the freckles. I love the tail. Yeah. So that's it. You gonna tell about the animals, Isaiah? Dad's got the big snake. Wait till we get the retic and the anaconda. Then we'll have some big snakes. Alright. That's what we're doing tonight. That was the rescue bearded dragon. Same aged as that bearded dragon. You can see the size difference. Oh, he ran down there. Huge size difference. They give you kisses. She gave you the kisses. I wish I could have caught that. Harmless. If you think these animals are freaking out to eat you, stupid. Oh, we forgot. Gotta put the lid on because Isaiah. Oh, say hi. Say hi to everybody. You're probably trying to eat that one, but you're not gonna eat us. Oh, it's Jackson. Yeah, this is Jackson. Don't get your fingers too close because it likes hot dogs now. There you go. And one screenshot. The boa and the gator. You've already eaten a freaking hot dog today. Good. I don't even know how many goldfish you've eaten today. You're not getting any more. You just need to go back to sleep, little lady, because you're getting your kiddie pool tomorrow. Alright guys, that's what we're doing tonight. Just playing with the animals, me and Isaiah. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's been fun for us, hasn't it, buddy? What you gonna tell us, Isaiah? Oh. Yeah, we're looking at Jackson. Well, what do you have to tell me about the animals? Okay, well, I'll let you look. Alright guys, we're just gonna keep hanging out with the cool animals. And Jackson's gonna keep thinking she's tough. Wish I could show you some more stuff, but my hand is kind of overtaken right now. So, I think that was a good video. Say bye, bye everybody. 2-year-old plays the snake better than most adults. Ain't that kind of sad? Ain't that kind of sad? Oh, time for a bath. I know. Well, let me get boots off me, actually. Because Isaiah's wanting to be around the rest of the animals for a minute. This might look familiar if you've seen the feeding videos. Yeah. Thank you. Alright, come on, let's go show the rest of the animals. I know we can get the one scorpion out of here. 'Cause it's alright. It's not mean. Where is it at? It's over here. Scorpion's running from me. So there's the... Oh! Why did you jump? Oh, I know. Asian forest. So just took a spill. Get back in there. No, you're not cooperating today at all. Well, this is Death Stalker Scorpion. Top 1 or 2 deadliest on the planet. Got my hands in there like an idiot, but I've been doing this for a long time, so I pay attention. Fucking light on still. Yeah. Showing some snakes. This is the new pinstripe. Itty bitty little baby. Within a month from being hatched. Good genetics. Look at that. And that will be paired with other snakes. like this one down here. Now this one has to be taped and clamped, because this is our escape artist. We'll have to go through and do all of this stuff later. Again, I don't care what you do, the snake is going to escape. So that pinstripe, we're going to mix it with this, which is going to give us pinstripe cinnamon, a pinstripe banana, a pinstripe banana cinnamon. It's going to give us a lot of different things that we probably are not expecting. She's got a full belly right now, so I don't want to mess with her too much. Isaiah, we gotta get the cage lid back on later. What? Which one? Which one? You want this one? This one is our lesser pastel. Love this one. I haven't got this one sexed, so I don't know exactly what to expect if I was to put this with the pinstripe. I haven't really looked that far into that with the genetics, so we've got that option. Things are learning curve right now. Because with the genetics of the ball pythons, I mean, there's an absolute science to it. And then you always have coyote. Mr. Coyote. Just to give a coyote kisses. Yeah, coyotes are one of our favorites. Yeah. So for Saturday nights, that's what we're doing. It's just hanging out with the animals. Well, I don't want you to hold Coyote right now, bud. I'm just showing the people. As you can see, my son's excited because this is nothing new to any of us. There's that little guy. He's pretty cool. He's a good one. Isaiah? Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. What do you think about that one? Don't teach your kids to be scared of things that you're scared of. Allow your kids to learn. Allow your kids to thrive when it comes to wildlife, because the stuff that we're doing might even become bigger than what I want it to be. Bass Pro started in a little bait shop. Who knows what we're going to do, Isaiah? Well, who knows? We might be a big zoo one day. I guess he's done. He's going to watch the video. You've seen the animals. So, that'll be it. I hope you all have a good night and a good weekend. And I'm going to go check on my scorpion that jumped out of my hand. I'm sure he'll be fine because he's tough. Well, always got to check. I'll play with your foot too. Alright guys, good night.